So you've seen yourself falling under the set of people that do post their videos and they have no views because this is how you post your video, and in the next 2 days you see that that video has no single view. If it has any view, is the one you yourself watched. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to post your video the right way to start having views little by little. View will start coming into your video little by little. So sit tight, watch this video till the end because I'm going to show you how to post this video even when you don't know what to do, even when you don't know what to do. But in this video, I'm going to help you on the tricks, what you can do, how to go about it, and get this result done. So kindly remember to subscribe to my channel, like this video, drop a comment, and then share this video to get to a whole lot of people. So let's get started. Let me go down to my YouTube and then get started. So now, first of all, I want to upload a video. Let's say I click on the plus sign create and then click on upload video. So there I'm going to choose. So it's not until you're using your computer, or like people that are using their computers or their mobile phones, it's still the same thing. It's still the same thing. So you can use your YouTube web interface like your Chrome browser to achieve this, or you use the YouTube application to also achieve this. But I do recommend the web browser at most to achieve this. So first of all, I'll go over and select the file I want to upload. So let's go. I select the file. Let's say I want to upload this particular video, and then I allow it to load. Why I do recommend the web interface is it gives you the opportunity to know whatever you're doing. Like it gives you the opportunity to add more things to the video. Like it gives you the opportunity to edit, gives you the opportunity to add your end screens, add your cards and all of that. I'm going to show you in this particular video. So first of all, I'm going to go ahead and include the title. So you see here, I'm using vidIQ. So if you're using vidIQ, you will notice that vidIQ will always give you suggestions for your video. So this video is going to be like how to upload YouTube video, how to upload your video the right way. So let's see what vidIQ is going to tell us. Let's check over. So that's 62. That's 62%. Let's try another title. Let's see how it's going to be. Let's say the right way to upload. Let's say the right way to upload your videos on YouTube. Let me cut that and paste it over here. So the right way to upload your videos. Your video. Let me add this. Right way to upload your videos. So let's see what it's going to give us. You can see it's loading. So that's 52, which means the other one is better. So this was better. How to upload your video the right way. Let me say on YouTube. On YouTube, let's see what it gives us. Okay, 71. At least this is better. Sometimes you can see this topic here 96%. The number one tone mistake you are making and how to fix it. So it gives you topic ideas. Top communication expert shares secret to perfect tone in music. So these are ideas. When you click write up your topic, it gives you um, a clue of the percentage based on what people are searching for. So apart from the title, let's move over to description. So now this is my embedded description. So I need a description that will best suit this video. So what am I going to do? I'm going to head over to in a channel. Let me say a channel that has this description already. Like I can search on a particular topic. Let's say how to upload videos on YouTube. So let me check on this video. Let's take a look at this video. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's allow the video to open. Okay. Now the video is up. Okay. So the video is up. What we're going to do is, first of all, the person has a description on this video. I'm going to click on see more. So now the description on this video, I'm going to copy the description on this video. But while you copy, make sure the description matches with what you are using too. So when I copy the description on this video, I copy, take it over to my video, and then paste it. So when I paste it, I will go ahead and edit it. Don't use it exactly how it is. So it says discover the step-by-step guide on how to upload videos on YouTube the right way and maximize your views and engagement. In this video, we'll cover everything from creating optimized video titles to crafting the perfect description and tags. Learn how to use SEO-friendly keywords and choose the right thumbnail to attract more clicks. So I'm going to wipe this off since I'm not going to use everything. So I'll go over here. Whether you are a beginner looking for improved channel growth, this tutorial is backed and all of that. So you can go ahead and edit this. Then after editing this, you will need hashtags. Yes, you will need hashtags. So to go back to hashtag, you still go back to that particular video. And mind you, always use videos that are already trending. Trending videos that have a lot of views already. So I'm going to copy the hashtag on this video. I'm going to copy the hashtag and also paste over here. You can see I've copied the hashtag. So YouTube tips, I'm going to click on YouTube tips, get more views, do the same thing. So you can also add your own hashtag or you allow this one to be there. This one you don't need to edit. It's still the same thing. So you don't need to edit this one. And then I can add hashtag tips, hashtag YouTube optimization. So YouTube optimization, I can add that to that. So after that, you go over to your thumbnail. It's simple. We all know how to input thumbnails on a video, and then you go over to playlist, choose your particular playlist. Yeah, choose your playlist and then done. And now the most important part now is how to get tags. Altered content, no. Paid promotion, you don't click it. Collaboration, you can invite a collaborator, someone you want to collaborate with. I talked about that in my last video. Check my channel, the last video I talked about that. Allow automatic chapters and key moments, allow automatic places, allow automatic concepts. Then you now see here tags. So the tags I have is the one that I've embedded on my channel already. So I'm going to remove it and then add hashtags that are related to this video. So how do I get? Sometimes I might not know what to do. Remember I said sometimes you might not know what to do and you want to use it. So I still go back to the video, and with vidIQ, I can extract hashtag from a particular video. So now this is it, the channel hashtag and then the video hashtags. So this video doesn't have any hashtag. If this video had any hashtag, it would have shown over here. It would have shown over here. So it's just to copy, just like the channel hashtag that shows here, and then you can copy. So if the video had an hashtag, it would have shown here and you can copy. So with that, I can go over vidIQ has given me some hashtags here. I can go over here and then start adding them, refresh, start refresh them and add them up. So it's better to use vidIQ. So with vidIQ, you can even on your mobile phones, you can download it on your mobile phones and then use it. Use it to get your titles, copy it down to your YouTube, use it to get your tags and your hashtags. It's very simple. Then moving over, video language English, recording that you don't really need this. Then allow embedding. You should always allow embedding. Then publish to subscription feed and notify subscribers. If you have enough subscribers, you are free to publish. But if you don't have enough subscribers, please don't publish to subscription feed, because if your subscribers don't watch the video, YouTube is not going to push this video. Always make sure. That's why I said you can't find this option while uploading your video on the YouTube application. You always find this option if you are using Chrome browser to upload your video on YouTube. That's when you can find the option, or you're using your system. That's when you can find this option. But if you're using your phone, your YouTube application on your mobile phone, this option won't be there. But what I will tell you is always switch off this option. Why? If your subscribers don't watch it, YouTube is not going to push it. So as a small YouTuber, you don't need to on this because you don't have enough subscribers here to watch your video. So always turn it off so that YouTube will now spread it to everybody at the same time. And then manual review, these ones are just okay. And then you choose category. I talked about category. So if you're into vlogging, you can choose entertainment, you can choose people and blog, you can choose comedy depending on your niche, music. So for me, I choose how to and style, which is related to my niche. I choose how to and style, or I can choose education. So it's either I choose how to and style, or I can choose education. Yeah. So those are the two um, categories that I fall under. And then you go to the next step. The next step now is all this, you can see it on your web interface. Let's keep monetization. Monetization is only for those that are monetized. Let's go to the next one. Let me select this. Okay. So I go to the next step and then add an end screen. So you can add an end screen to the video. Very simple. I know, I guess most of you don't do this, but it's something you need to do. Add an end screen to your video. So end screen means that your previous video, you can take it to be as the end screen of this video. At the end of the video, two of your previous videos are going to pop up at both sides of the screen, which will now lead people back to your video. Like, it will now lead people back to your video that you've done before. So in case someone didn't know that you talked about this, so you can choose a particular video, a nice video, and upload as your end screen and then use it. So it shows one video, one subscribe button, one video, one subscribe button on top. It shows one video, one subscribe, two videos. So I like choosing the two videos. I click on the two videos and it shows you can see best video, most recent video. So I click on this and click on choose specific video. So it will take me down to my channel and I can choose any video from my channel to add up as my end screen. So let's allow it to load and show my channel video so I can choose and then add it up. So after clicking yes, so now you can choose an end screen. I can choose anything, your short, your long form content. Click on the next one, go to choose a specific video, and then you are good to go. So apart from end screen, the next one you're going to go to is let me discard this since I'm not using it for now. So we go to next, which is going to check your video for copyright and all of that. And then next will be for you to schedule your video, allow it to be on private, unlisted, members only, or public. So with this, you're good to go to upload your video the right way. Remember, I talked about adding a nice title, a title that is optimized. Let your title be something that is purely a split, like someone can understand in split seconds. Someone will read and understand. So then your description, you can copy your description from another person's video, edit it and use it. Copy the hashtags the person used and use it. Copy the tags also, the video tags, and then also upload it on your channel as well, on your video that you're about to upload as well. And then you're good to go. Follow these steps step by step and upload your video. At least you'll see that your video will start improving step by step, little by little. It doesn't mean that when you do this, it's going to skyrocket at once. No, it's little by little, it will start growing little by little. And then before you know it, you start having enough views on your video. So with this, let's keep growing together. As I said before, kindly remember to subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Like the video, drop a comment, and share the video as well. Thanks so much for watching up to this point, and I'll say have a nice day. Bye for now.